Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So this week and week, we come back Tuesday. Is my camera dirty? We're going to Oklahoma because my uncle has a cabin over there. It is not mine, so do not. I'm packing right now and it's the day we leave. But I'm not worried. I hate when people like stress. I'm not stressed. Bro. So I just got the worst news of my life that my cousin might not be going. I'm kind of pissed off. Guys. Do not talk to me. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna start packing my clothes. I don't know what I'm taking yet. Let's get to packing. Hey guys, we're on the road. I did not record anymore after that because I was in a bad mood. Guys, today has been hectic and complicated. And to make it worse, I don't like being negative, but to make it worse, I got my braces tying yesterday. I'm thankful for my braces. But my teeth hurt so bad. This is my first time getting power chains. My mom's coming back, so I gotta go. We're about 30 minutes away from my uncle's cabin. Everybody's already there except my grandparents and us. Hey guys, I'm here with my cousins. I made it, and there's a whole spider web right there.
Oh my god, bye. Oh, that was a brass doll.
Hey! Where the hot tub at? Can you get cold though?
No, girl, I think it's freezing. Well, what is
Bruh.
this though?
That's the fair.
The list? Okay, go ahead.
Ah!
That was way more. That was...
Hola, abuela.
Hola,
¿Qué quiere decir al video que estamos haciendo?
que estamos relajándonos aquí con todas las chilindrinas, disfrutando de la vida y comiendo una empanada de piña.
Qué delicioso.
Yummy licious.
Yummy. Hola, abuelo.
Hola!
Hola. Hey, say hi to the vlog.
Hello, what's up?
Hey, this is my sister. Eating, guys.
Yummy.
Hey guys, update.
Hey guys.
We are up in the game room. The family's down there. Out here, guys.
Guys, we should double team.
Me and Sebastian. Huh?
The best player is... Oh, wait.
Let's be one. Update, guys, we are here in the tub. I look mad goofy. I'm not trying to get my hair wet.
Sorry, kind of point.
Guys, look at the pitch black dark though.
I think the boogeyman's in the cuckoo is gonna come and get us, guys. Like,
It
we're on
keeps
that.
flashing and it was scaring me
I
when I was
know.
alone.
What are you gonna do?
Super aesthetic right now, guys.
Hey guys, update. It's 1:30. I mean 1:19. Oh my goodness. It's the morning. We already ate breakfast. Everybody's down there. Crudos. Bruh. So now I'm just gonna do my skincare routine. So I'm about to shower right now. I feel musty. I know, it's just some air in here. Some family air. Hey vlog. We just came back from Walmart. Didn't vlog at Walmart because
It's just weird.
she got candy.
Nah. What you got? Hot. Flaming hot.
Nasty. I forget to vlog every time I'm inside. But yeah, we're going to the winery, guys.
We're gonna get a little crazy with wine.
Alright, so yeah, when we got home from Walmart, we literally just
It's fine, I know where it is,
play
even
eight-ball.
if he leaves without us. Good.
8-ball. I meant pool. They're gonna give us a charcuterie board. I feel fancy.
Cheese and fruit.
Oh, sorry. This is my little cousin. Guys, we are not 21, but my family is.
Okay, guys, we're gonna. Which one's yours? Girl.
Okay, so I got the bread.
Oh, I want to try this one. Let's try it at the same time. Black raspberry.
Cheese. This is such a keto. How you feel? Good for you. We made it home vlog. Anyways, guys, we're out here in the woods, adventuring. I don't think there's poison ivy.
Poison ivy.
How do you? Wait, for real?
Yeah.
What is up, gang gang? And we're back with another cabin video.
Cabin little clip. It's hot out here. We're out here in front of everybody. Those. Hey, vlog. We're about to eat some good tacos.
Bon appetit, guys.
Bon appetit. Okay. What's up, gang gang? We are playing. Oh, my turn. Oh, yeah, it's your turn.
This is the
Prank.
extreme prank.
What's going on? What's what?
What's up, gang? Playing pool. What's up, gangy gang? And we're making brownies now. So we're gonna make box brownies. We have to preheat the oven to 350 or 325.
Yeah, that's like, do one more.
Oopsie.
Could be.
Guys, me and my cousins are in the room. We're waiting for the brownies to cook. They've been cooking for a little bit, but my little cousin is gonna DM famous people.
All right, let's message Peso Pluma. He's on.
Me when I first got Instagram too.
He has people who could read it for him.
Huh? Did I ask? Leave it alone.
But you said it out loud.
Bro, my cousin's so annoying. He thinks she's so smart.
She thinks she's so smart. It's crazy. Who is that?
It's a boxer. So, now I'm gonna DM 50 more people and then we'll get back to you.
Update, the brownies came out. Get me done. Bro, what are those pieces? Are just so
They can get two then.
okay. Damn, what's your tone, girl?
Ya ni chinga, mija, pinche pedacito feo que le diste, mija.
Okay. This is too good.
Hey guys, my name is doing the dishes. Everybody already went to sleep. Brownies were buzz. Buzz. Even more buzz. Nerd cluster behind you and la carne. My stomach is like.
Updates. We're getting ready. We're ready. He's on time. Okay.
Normally I floss. Normally I do be flossing. When I'm on vacation, I don't, because I don't have time. It takes a long time.
I'm so excited for the boat tomorrow. Oh. Are you going to do it?
I don't know. Hey vlog, update. It's the next day. Time check.
10:20.
A deer! Update, we are at the ice cream shop. Okay, girls. Oh. Triple chocolate.
He wants me to beat me so bad.
Yeah. Peekaboo. See your nose hair.
My grandpa used to shave his. It was
Oh my god, your grandpa always had hair all up in his ears.
in his ears and in his nose. Like,
We got our ice cream. What'd you get? Cake batter. What'd you get, Mariana?
mocha frappe.
Literally tastes like coffee. And I just got chocolate chip cookie dough. Right now we're at the gas station.
Back to another video. We're out here in the outside of the truck. We're here in the boat, and we're here with June. What's up, Gangy Gang? We're back here on the boat. What's up, Gang Gang? Back here at it again, and because we're both going, I don't know where.
Oh my god! Isabel! Isabel! Anyway, I'm here with my cousin.
There's a sexy person coming behind you.
Bro.
Alright.
Run away. Honor is back. Or Captain Hunter.
I don't know who this is. Who invited this guy?
Oh dang, you got a firm grip. We're already on the boat. Hey, don't touch my feet.
And let me jump.
Jump, you're gonna jump?
Hola, hola, ¿cómo se siente en este video? I mean, en este video.
Dijo gringo, very good, very good. No, esta es una canoa.
¿Esta?
No.
El video.
Get them over there.
Mañana venimos por ustedes.
I'm gonna go Tinko, alright? I'll be right back.
Say that out loud, Aaron.
The camera's there, I gotta say it.
For the video, Dani.
¿Nos vamos a meter, hijo?
Yeah.
Del baño.
Ah, pues sí. Dijo el gringo, me too.
What is up, King?
We're out here.
What's up, Theo?
What's up, girls? Look at my crazy ass! Yo, what the
Aquaphor always gotta carry some aquaphor. And one of his shoes. What is up, gang? And we're here with June. Oh, she's so cute.
We just got out of the boat with update. It's really pretty up here. Anyways, we met this cute dog, June. This is our farewell. But yeah, we got some good watermelon. Now we're gonna go back to my mom's dinner that she made for us, mole. Bro, I'm sweating so much. So I was about to say that, but you gotta keep it PG-13. Hey guys, we made it to the cabin.
Welcome back to the vlog.
We all look kind of rough. Let's go eat, guys. Let's go eat this good, yummy food. Yummers. My mom made mole with rice and sopa.
What is up,
Okay.
gang? Some fruit. Yummy.
Mocha frappe with olives?
Vanilla ice cream. It's update, guys. It's the third day. We got each matching braids, which I kind of don't like it, but anyways, we ate breakfast. I don't know when we're leaving yet. What's up? We're at this place. I don't know where we are. We were actually gonna go home, but then they changed up the rules. Gourmet hot dog place. Brewery. I don't know what's a plan for later because I want to go home. Hey guys, we stopped at this little store. It's so cute. Like they have so much cute stuff. What's up, guys? So we got the chocolates. I got Grumpy's.
I got Nerdy and I got Cool. It tastes like an olive garden chocolate.
Hey guys, we are leaving finally. Not finally, actually. I don't want to leave. But
Finally, isn't we've been here for a while.
That's so crazy, guys.
bro,
Boy just broke up with someone and like he was like, I missed her so much, guys. I messed this up. And boy already found a new one, like literally like a week ago. Block that out. I'm not trying to hate right now, but like.
bussy! Yes!
We made it.
We made it. Eating at bussies. Getting got the bussies.
Getting pussies.
Getting food at bussies. Anyways, we're about to get run over. Guys, this is our full wet.
This is our last vlog today, guys. Bye, gang. Bye, vlog.
Necesita café la señora. That's the vlog, guys.
And the summer.
That's it, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye, bussy. Hey, guys, I made it home. Finally, bro. You know, unpacked so much. Not really. That was the end of my video. I'm so sad this video is coming to an end because I had so much fun this weekend. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I don't know what to say in an outro, but remember to subscribe and like. I think that's what you say. I don't know. More videos to come soon, I think. Maybe the first day of school vlog. Maybe. We don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, Pookies.